shit out of us, and it ekes down every decade. We still have an element of that we can look each other in the eye and still believe it. And so I wrote this song for us, and I was driving up to my parents' cottage. I was opening it up or something like this, and I had the songs Plunder Dome. They weren't mastered yet, but they were mixed. And I was listening to this song, and I started to well up because I felt it so strongly that this was the story of our lives together, me and Dave, our artistic lives. And anyway, I had to actually pull over at the side of the road, and I was kind of fucked up. And so I'm going to try and pull this off, but I might not be able to pull this off. But it's called Rainy Days and Purple Hearts. Is that? Yeah.
Rainy Day Parades.
Wow. I'm really going to try to pull this off. In the raging quiet, David and Goliath, the two of us took on the world to set it right. And the days went by, shaken and gun shy. Said it's not a flame unless you lit it. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. And to fight the war's the only way to win it. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. Well, I put pen to page, and I put rhyme to rage, and I left every ounce of poison in me on the stage. You said they're only words, well, they can't change the world, but it's not a bell unless you ring it. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. And it's not a song unless you sing it. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. And if the world mistreats you like a dog and beats you, and the words can feel sharper than a knife, will you find what you're after in the final chapter of a book? That's the story of your life. You showed up at my door, cried, "What is all this for?" Well, I just stood there smiling, looking at the kitchen floor. It's a mystery, yeah, but it seems to me it's like a race you can't win unless you finish. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. And though the light is dim, it's not diminished. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. The world mistreats you like a dog and beats you, and words feel sharper than a knife. I hope you find what you're after in the final chapter of a book. That's the story of your life. And if we lost the war, well, I don't care no more. At least I can remember what we were fighting for. 'Cause our flag was raised, and still that song remains. And it's not a gift unless you give it. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. Rainy day parades and purple hearts. it's not a life unless you live it. Raining the parades and purple hearts. No, it's not a life unless you live it.